everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Sultana. So before I begin my video, I would like to say that if you're new here, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment section below. And and I know many of you are eagerly waiting for the KSET 2024 results. But as of now, the results have not been released yet. While we wait, I thought I would share some updates and tips to help you stay prepared and calm during this period. Uh, so, yeah, uh, First of all, let me clear up the big question: when will the KSET results be announced? The official date has been not yet confirmed. But if we look at previous years, results are generally announced a few months after the exam, right? So we can expect the results anytime in the next few months. So instead of stressing out yourself, use this time wisely. Start preparing for interviews or further studies if you're expecting to qualify. Brush up on your subject knowledge to stay sharp, right? So why waste time, right? For those unsure about clearing, remember that there is always another opportunity to improve. So never lose hope and never give up. And once the results are out, here's how you can check them. Visit the official KSET website, look for the results section, tab on the home page, and enter your roll number and other required details to view your scorecard. And I know waiting can be stressful, right? But patience is key. Remember, this result does not define your worth or future entirely, right? So whatever happens, there's always room for growth and learning. I would like to repeat this line: whatever happens, I'm telling this about your results, right? Whatever happens, there's always a room for growth and learning. So, never, disappoint from results. Or like, if you have your gut feeling like you all gonna clear this exam, then be prepared for interviews. And yeah, as I said earlier, brush up on your subject knowledge. Okay. Now, coming to the results, when will they be out? The official KSET authorities haven't given us basic date yet. But if we go by previous years, results are usually announced 2 to 3 months after the exam, right? So don't worry, it's just a matter of time. I'll be keeping an eye on updates and will inform you as soon as there are any official like there is any official announcement. So and I would love to hear how you are preparing, not preparing but keeping yourself motivated during this waiting time. Like, share your thoughts and plans in the comments. I would love to connect with you all. And also, if you have any questions about KSET or your career path, drop them below and I'll try my best to answer. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest KSET news and more. Remember, this is just one step in your journey. There are many more milestones ahead. So stay strong, stay positive, and I'll see you soon in the next with more updates. And take care. Bye for now.